I really think it's the first day of spring today. The air's much warmer, it's sunny. There's hope and anticipation in the air. We've all been cooped up at home for so long now.
And I've been so busy over the lockdown period finding some really exciting new drinks. We have wines, burgundies, beers from an amazing producer down in Falmouth in Cornwall, ciders from a guy up the road in St Mabon.
The best thing about reopening our restaurants in spring is the amazing ingredients we get into the kitchens. Things like asparagus and broad beans and peas and wild garlic and wonderful fish and meat. And this time, just before we reopen, is the perfect time to be planning our menus.
It's people laughing, people enjoying themselves, pop of champagne corks, ice in glasses. We're going to bring that all back to you.
The chefs will be back, the waiters, and we're going to be welcoming our customers back soon. I just can't wait.